Mama, I teach you how to make slime today.
Okay, Nyla's gonna teach us how to make slimes today. All right, let's go. What we got here? What's the ingredients we have here?
And we've got glue.
Uh-huh. We got nail polish solution, and we got some, what is this called again? Baking soda.
Baking soda.
And then we're gonna what? We're gonna mix it in here, right? And we're gonna use the spoon, and Nyla's gonna mix it around and show you guys how to. So first, we're gonna pour the glue inside of the container. Depends on how much you want to make, right, big girl? If you want to make a small amount or big amount. So we're putting the glue in. We're gonna make a small amount, and we're gonna make the green color today. So we got the glue inside, right, big girl? Okay.
Green.
And then we're gonna do a green color. So we got colorings, and Nale is gonna put 2 drops of green drops inside of the container there. 2 drops of green. Whoa, 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 whoa! That's a lot. That's a lot. That's enough. So we're gonna put 2 drops of nail polish solution. What is it?
Eye solution.
Oh, it's eye solution. Whoa. Oh, sorry, I made a mistake. So eye solution. 1, 2, 3 drops. We're gonna put for that little amount, and then we're gonna do a drop of baking soda.
And see what happens.
And then see what happens.
It makes it slime.
Whoa.
It makes it slime.
Whoa. And look how it's forming into the slime. Look at that. So if it doesn't get formed right away, we just drop a little bit more baking soda. And then it comes together as you mix it. Forgive us, guys. We might have said eye solution. Just look what it is. You know how to get that. Go ahead, big girl. No, mix it a lot more, baby. So you mix it until it forms into that, which is this slime here.